you, the undefeated, undisputed heavyweight champion of the world,
Mike Tyson dikenal sebagai petinju yang memiliki kecepatan dan kekuatan pukulan yang dapat merobohkan lawan dalam waktu singkat. Ada 44 kemenangan KO yang telah dilaluinya. Dan tentu saja pukulan-pukulan KO yang dihasilkan dari tangan si leher beton ini adalah momen terbaik dan menakjubkan yang akan selalu dinantikan penggemar tinju di masanya. Jangan pernah lengah saat menonton, menjadi sebuah kalimat yang sering didengar jika tidak ingin melewatkan momen saat Tyson memukul KO lawannya. Itu memang terbukti karena sebagian besar kemenangan KO si leher beton ini terjadi pada ronde pertama. Bahkan separuh dari kemenangan KO ronde pertama ini hanya berlangsung selama beberapa detik. Dan di video ini kita akan lihat pukulan-pukulan KO Mike Tyson yang terjadi di ronde pertama. Dan kita akan urutkan berdasarkan durasi waktu kapan pukulan KO itu terjadi. Pada 13 Juni 1986, Mike Tyson menaiki ring untuk pertarungannya yang ke-22, dan Reggie Gross adalah lawan yang akan dihadapinya. Walaupun hanya berlangsung kurang lebih 2,5 menit, pertarungan ini cukup seru karena perlawanan yang diberikan Reggie Gross di awal pertarungan. Dan gerakan peekaboo atau gerakan ciluk-ba jika dalam bahasa Indonesia yang terkenal dari Tyson dapat dilihat jelas di pertarungan ini. Seperti apa gerakannya? Mari kita lihat bersama. Alex Stewart dikenal sebagai Raja KO dari Jamaika. Dari 27 pertarungannya sebelum menghadapi Tyson, dia hanya mengalami 1 kali kekalahan dari Evander Holyfield. Sedangkan untuk 26 pertarungan lainnya, dimenangkannya dengan KO dan TKO. Tyson sendiri di pertarungan ini juga telah mengalami 1 kekalahan dari James Douglas beberapa bulan sebelumnya. Pertarungan ini telah menyita perhatian publik tentang bagaimana hasil ketika 2 raja KO ini akan saling menjatuhkan di atas ring. Perlu diketahui bahwa sama seperti Tyson, semua kemenangan KO Alex Stewart sebelumnya banyak yang terjadi di ronde-ronde awal. Bahkan hanya ada 2 lawan yang mampu melewati ronde kelima. Mari kita lihat cuplikannya.
Tyson lands a right and another. This could be quick.
I was afraid of a 30-second soundbite.
All right, man. Okay, let's go.
Remember, Stewart never went down against Evander Holyfield. A shot to the body, another solid right hand. Stewart begins to throw as a means of trying to defend himself. called a slip.
A good right hand that hurt Stewart again, but Stewart is still upright.
That was a flush right hand. That was a flush right hand.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
He's up just at the count of 9, Jim.
How you feel?
3 knockdown rule is in effect. When Stewart goes down again, it's over. And Stewart has quit throwing punches. That was a worthwhile grab. 2 more right hands land.
A question of a few seconds.
That'll do it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
They're forgetting that the 3 knockdown rule is in effect. This fight is over.
Well, Stewart said that Tyson was a mountain he had to climb. He just got knocked off that mountain.
The winner.
The right hand to the top of the head was the one that put Alex down. That knockdown occurred within the first 10 seconds of the round.
Berikutnya ada nama David Jeko yang dikalahkan Tyson dalam waktu 2 menit 16 detik. Pukulan-pukulan telak dari Tyson akan menjatuhkan lawannya itu beberapa kali hingga wasit harus menghentikan pertarungan.
Last 3 or 4 fights. William Hosea, 2 of Tyson's last 3 fights against James Quick Tillis and Rich Blood Green have gone the full 10-round trip. So, good right uppercut, and once again the legs twitch. Hosea in trouble, and down. Didn't beat it. Tyson looking a bit bemused, having his arm raised.
Main event of the evening, champion versus champion.
Dalam upayanya untuk mengumpulkan kembali semua gelar bergengsi kelas berat, Tyson akan menghadapi Bruce Seldon, pemilik sabuk kelas berat versi WBA.
Champion of the world.
Banyak yang menilai jika Bruce Seldon terlihat seperti orang ketakutan saat menghadapi Tyson, lebih banyak bergerak mundur ketimbang melakukan serangan. Tyson menyudahi pertarungan ini dalam waktu 1 menit 49 detik.
Here we go, round 1, scheduled for 12, and Tyson comes right out, right into Bruce Seldon.
Bruce has used that jab and stepped into the eye of the storm to get to Mike Tyson. Okay, Bruce Seldon flicking that trademark left jab, but not going backwards, not at this range.
Tyson, he's standing way outside. Look how he stands straight up there. Now that's not.
Oh, down goes.
He had a nice long rest there, but he has felt.
Back comes Seldon.
If you have a great chin, you don't have a great chin, you can't get one. You can't buy one or learn one.
Oh, forget it.
Punch.
He's wobbly.
You can always punch,
over.
and that's it.
It's over in the first round.
1 minute and 9 seconds were left, and he was not going to weather the storm. If he came out, he'd have been flat. I mean, flat. He had nothing left, no reflexes. Fight stopped. He stopped himself, really. I think his indication to the referee was no more.
Ini adalah pertandingan pertarungan pertama bagi Tyson sebagai petinju profesional. Nama Hector Mercedes menjadi petinju pertama yang akan merasakan kekuatan pukulan Tyson di awal karirnya ini. Hector Mercedes menyerah di saat pertarungan baru berjalan 1 menit 47 detik.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the undisputed heavyweight champion of the world.
Pertarungan dengan Carl Williams ini adalah pertarungan ke-6 bagi Tyson untuk mempertahankan gelar juara tak terbantahkan. Dan pukulan hook kiri akan menyudahi pertarungan ini.
Across here, Tyson, that's a certainty. Oh, standing there. He wants to trade with him, Williams. I'm not sure that's good business.
If he hasn't done that tonight, I wonder if that's a change of plan with it.
Oh, what a left hook. Is he going to count him out or let him go on? He's done well to get up. No, he stopped it. Well, there's some booing going on, but they didn't take that punch. Carl Williams is arguing. He got caught with a peach of a punch there, and, well, at least he's got a cuddle afterwards, Jim. Now, nobody really could have expected that. Well, I didn't have my watch going.
My objective is to knock him out and win in spectacular.
Sebagai sang juara tak terbantahkan yang memiliki 3 gelar utama kelas berat, status Tyson sebagai raja kelas berat masih belum diakui segelintir orang. Sebab ada satu petinju yang belum dihadapi Tyson, sang juara kelas berat The Ring, Michael Spinks. Pertarungan pun diatur dan terjadi pada bulan Juni 1988.
The greatest of all time, ladies and gentlemen.
Tyson pun membuktikan kecepatan dan kekuatan pukulannya dengan mengalahkan Spinks dalam waktu 1 menit 31 detik.
They normally have been in the past. Now watch Tyson jump right into his chest.
And now Cappuccino goes to work again. Tyson not afraid, as we expected, and Spinks ready to mix it up with him.
Michael Spinks has to keep moving because every shot.
Uppercut landed inside.
And that is the first time Michael Spinks has ever been down in a professional fight.
And he's down again and in serious trouble.
On Saturday night, watch me kick Tyson's ass when I wrap you in my cocoon.
Sejak awal sebelum berhadapan di atas ring, Peter McNally sudah menunjukkan kesombongannya jika dia akan dengan mudah mengalahkan Tyson. Bahkan dia masih terlihat percaya diri sesaat sebelum pertarungan dimulai. Namun yang terjadi, 10 detik pertarungan, petinju itu telah roboh hanya dengan satu pukulan Tyson.
And McNeely, as advertised, comes right at Mike Tyson. Down goes McNeely. Seconds into the first round.
Tak percaya dengan yang baru saja terjadi, Peter McNally mencoba lagi peruntungannya.
Seconds into the fight, McNeely on the canvas.
Tyson seeming to just hang back there waiting for that one shot. Mills Lane had stopped that nonsense because they were starting to butt heads. Oh.
Tyson with a left hook, a right uppercut. Down goes McNeely again. McNeely's hurt this time, Steve. He's very hurt. He can barely stand up.
Walaupun sempat melakukan perlawanan, fisik Peter McNally tidak cukup kuat untuk menerima pukulan si leher beton. hingga timnya harus masuk ring dan menyatakan menyerah pada 1 menit 29 detik.
Over, it's a Here you'll see it again. Tyson a little off bounce that hook. Now watch his uppercut. That one is clean. That is a clean shot. Mike goes back to neutral corner.
Just to see how Rich attempts to use that advantage in height and reach.
Castellamato, of course. Right hand. Mike, first punch he threw. Belief as we are.
Tyson, a fellow for whom everybody predicts a great future. If they can find some fights, then...
And it's over.
I see right now a major flaw and problem in
a left hook, a la Frazier. And down goes Richard. Judges are Billy Graham, Bernie Friedkin, and Eva Shane. Now look at the height.
Anda bisa lihat perbedaan fisik antara kedua petinju ini. Namun pertarungan ini hanya berlangsung selama 1 menit 15 detik. Dan pukulan brutal Tyson akan membuat wajah lawannya ini babak belur.
Tyson already coming in, got in a short left hook. There's the big one. Blood just pouring down from the nose of Sammy Scab into those punches.
Got to watch. Tyson does not throw wild punches, Sam.
Big left hook. 7. This one's over. 9. This one is over.
Cut. Look at the side of his nose there.
He's breathing and nose is just pouring out. I got to believe he broke his nose with one of those left hooks.
That might even be it.
Mike Tyson. And at 20 years and 5 months, he aims to create history.
Sekarang kita akan lihat pertarungan si leher beton yang berlangsung kurang dari 1 menit, alias terjadi hanya dalam hitungan detik. Sterling Benjamin ini dikalahkan Tyson dalam waktu 54 detik.
Fight number 11 for Mike Tyson, Sterling Benjamin. 10 wins, just beats the count, on they go. Is he going to make the belt? Somehow, I just kind of doubt it. There's only so much punishment anybody can take. That is the limit.
I feel it. He had to hit that. It's the hardest I ever been hit. It is the hardest you've ever. The hardest on my whole career.
Olympics.
Ini adalah pertarungan kedua dalam karir profesional Mike Tyson. Trent Singleton yang menjadi lawannya dikalahkan dalam waktu 52 detik.
Blue with a gold trim. We're in round 1. Well, we didn't get much of a chance. It's a mandatory 8 under New York State Athletic Commission rules. And already, from what little we've seen, Mike Tyson in his pro career, down the... And he's just a perpetual motion machine so far. This isn't going to go too long. Trent Singleton in all sorts of trouble. We're already in round 1.
14 wins, no losses, all wins by knockout. Mike Tyson.
14 fights.
Right.
If you blink in the first round, you'll probably miss a Mike Tyson fight.
He's a young, strong guy. He jumps right on his opponents. And that jab pushed him back. I think this might be another early stoppage because this guy's being a little wild. He's going to get caught with something.
Because you could miss it. A low right from Young.
That's it.
A little phantom. He's gone. It's over. First round.
People went, what? See, right there. See, that was a quick uppercut that snapped the head back.
And here we go with our main event of the evening.
Pertarungan ini akan selalu diingat karena merupakan kemenangan terakhir dalam karir Tyson. Sempat sama-sama terjatuh di awal pertarungan, Tyson mampu merobohkan lawannya dan menang pada detik ke-49.
Show up tonight. ATN down 10 times in 26 fights. And the Black Rhino get Tyson's respect right away and set the tone. Tyson's going for everything right here. And now they both go into the ropes.
Outside or way inside. Anywhere else, he's in danger.
Oh, there it is, right hand. No way, he's getting up. It's over. And he's helped up by...
184 and 1/4 pounds from Columbus, Ohio.
Kemudian ada nama Ricardo Spain yang dikalahkan Tyson dalam waktu 39 detik.
One fight, one win. Tyson has already seen brief slow career hits like a steam hammer. As Ricardo, the eyes are the giveaway. Oh, the legs have gone. This is all over. Yes, it is. I don't believe it. That's well inside a minute. Spain can't believe it. Tyson absolutely destroyed it there. Well, we won.
8 of those wins by knockout from Florida. Please welcome Michael Jack Johnson.
Sama dengan Ricardo Spain, Michael Johnson ini juga dikalahkan Tyson dalam waktu 39 detik.
Number 1 schedule sticks, but hold on to your hats. Nobody thinks he's going to go that far. Well, there he goes. He's just going to pull his way in. Those right to the body, left jab, right to the heart. I'm glad you pointed it out because down he goes. So just caught him and sent him right to the canvas.
23-pound weight advantage, and he put it all there.
The right to the head, and it's all over. Goodbye.
I hope he's not hurt because that was a brutal, wide-open punch.
He did not have his guard up, and Mike Tyson just Michael Jack Johnson, a big smile, but he didn't even break the
41 1/4 U.S. pounds. His record stands at 39 wins, 3 losses.
Luz Alvarez adalah lawan ke-52 bagi Tyson yang terjadi pada tanggal 24 Juni tahun 2000. Sempat terjadi kericuhan di pertarungan ini karena Tyson yang terus menyerang lawan saat wasit sudah menginstruksikan jika pertarungan ini dihentikan. Tyson dianugerahi kemenangan TKO pada detik ke-38.
Tyson, who scored 21 first round victories. Is this going to be another? It was like a kick from a horse, and the first one he throws is a left hook that puts Savarese almost waking up from it. Within the first, what was that? 10 or 15 seconds. Is Savarese going to get through this opening round? Oh, another big left. It's going to be stopped. It's going to be stopped. Oh, and he still wants to attack him, and John Coyle is trying to fight Son. I don't think he understood it. The fight is over. It is stopped. John Coyle just couldn't get in there. Well, he did get in, but Tyson didn't understand.
Atlantic City, New Jersey. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome aboard Big Bob Kuwait. Kuwait's in New York. Ladies and gentlemen, here is Mike Tyson.
Albany, Troy, New York area, Mike Tyson.
Dan inilah kemenangan tercepat dalam karir Mike Tyson. Lawannya adalah Marvis Frazier, anak dari legenda tinju yang pernah menjadi rival berat Muhammad Ali, Joe Frazier. Sejak bel dibunyikan, Tyson langsung menyerang tanpa memberi kesempatan lawan untuk membalas. Sile Herberton memenangkan pertarungan ini pada detik ke-30.
Supplemental 4-point scoring system if the rounds wind up even, and the 3 knockdown rule is in effect.
Uppercut, and Marvis is hurt.
Frazier is down, and he's going to stop the fight. That Marvis could handle this kind of an attack.
You see that stiff left hand, that jab that Mike has not shown too much. The jab back, Marvis up into the corner. A second jab kept him there for those right uppercuts.
There will continue to be skepticism in some quarters regarding Tyson's stamina, his ability to take a punch, his technique in the ring.
Sekian dulu video kali ini. Terima kasih sudah menonton dan jangan lupa subscribe channel ini. Selamat beraktivitas dan sampai jumpa di video lainnya.